just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide.
Welcome at the Honest Travel Guide. Today we are in Abu Dhabi at the Wathba Desert Resort and Spa. We will show you around. Let's go. Well, here we are in the room of the Wathba Desert. We have a king pool view. And yeah, this room is amazing. It looks authentic with an Arabian style. Starting here with the bathroom. It's really nice, spacious. Look at that shower. I love the old details. It's just amazing. Also, of course, amenities are there. They also told about the light in the cove. Yeah, it's just amazing. We have a double sink. And yes, then there is the bath tube, which is looking to the bed and to the rest of the room. But there is a possibility, of course, to make it more private. Yeah, it is just an amazing room. Of course, there's a toilet also with a bidet included. Of course, all the default things you would expect from a room like this. Well, starting to the closet. Of course, there's an iron. And what I really love, yes, there's a safe. Which hotel doesn't have a safe, of course, but there is also a power included. So if you have something you want to charge within the safe, it is possible. I think that's really, really handy. We also have some stuff in it which can be charged. Of course, there's a possibility for laundry, what you would expect from a hotel like this. Enough storage space. I won't bother you with opening all those things. Coffee and tea are included. There's also more than enough water. They provide you water whatever you want. I don't know if there's a max, but so far they did everything. Really nice cups. Also with tea and of course the coffee. Even a bottle opener. And yes, of course, there is a fridge. And here the room itself, which has a very large screen, or TV, I must say. The bed is pretty soft. What also is handy, well, especially for my wife, she's pregnant, and as soon as she told that they provide her with a special, how do you say it, pillow for if you're pregnant. So that's cool that an hotel have thought about that. Of course, there's air conditioning. Currently it's off. It's quite cool, or at least cool enough. There's also a sit area. We noticed this is now our second day. They changed the fruits and they even provide some other fresh things. Also a nice personal letter from the butler. And of course there's also an outside. Like I said, we have pool view. Monique is already there. Wow. And then we are back in our room. Also a small desk. Also with possibilities to charge your laptop. It has USB, HDMI if you want to connect something with a television. So they really thought about everything. So yes, this is in ieder the room view, and of course we will also show you around from the rest of the property. See you there. Oh, me? Oh, wow.
Yeah?
Yes, well, to complete our journey in this hotel,
Mm-hmm.
what did we thought about it? Think about it.
Very good.
In
Luxury.
hotel.
It's very, very, very good.
Yeah, I think that's the summary. I almost liked everything in this hotel.
Yeah.
The staff is amazing. They are really friendly. They are really service-minded. Even when we were walking outside to the stables, somebody saw that and they immediately came to us to see if we want to have
Buggy ride.
a buggy ride. Because, well, if they see you walk, well, they will try to bring you. So that's
But
good.
it is not so big here.
No, it's not even that big.
No.
No.
And they come here for turn down service, so make your room ready for the night. So they put on the lights, they put your slippers next to the bed.
Yep.
Yeah. It's very, very
Yeah, it's good. They even bring
fresh fruit.
fresh fruit. That was also a surprise for us. So that was really, really nice. Yeah, and this morning I did a bicycle activity, which was also very, very nice. A very friendly guy, told everything about the environment and how the racing was going, because we did a bicycle tour in the dunes, but also went to the horse racing track that was next to it. So yeah, really friendly.
Mm-hmm.
Good. And there's also here a special guy with birds. I don't know the
Predator
word.
birds.
Yeah. Oh. Well, and now they're ringing the door, so let's see who it is. We're back. Yeah, we had an interruption because we had to turn down service. Yeah. Now.
Other lights, curtains closed.
Yeah. And if we need anything else, that's what they always said.
Water next to the bed.
Yeah, so, yeah, like I said, you have a complete luxury experience here. I think that is the most amazing part. Also, breakfast is fine, which we already showed you.
Beautiful pool.
Beautiful pool, yeah.
Nice beds at the
Nice
pool. Umbrellas.
Yeah.
Good food, drinks.
Yeah.
You get 4 bottles of water, with or without ice.
Yeah.
It's for free.
Yeah, it was just an amazing experience. I think the only downside I noticed personally is that I had a fight with you about the blanket. Because it's pretty short. It just covers the bed, so you can imagine if you're lying under it with only one large blanket, you will fight. At least that's what I always have if we have one blanket.
I will win.
Yeah, you will win, so I had it cold. So I think that is something they can improve. Well, in Holland we are used that the blanket falls over the bed. Here it is exactly the same dimensions. Don't think that's really handy. And what I really noticed was the light from the air conditioning panel. I want to have a complete black room when I sleep. I want no light, and it was impossible without putting something over it to have a completely dark room. But yeah, that's just my
That's your
personal
issue.
preference. Yeah, that's indeed my issue. And also another interesting thing that we were not able to only put on the light from the toilet without putting other lights on.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the only thing I noticed.
Yeah. Maybe it is possible, but we don't know how.
There are a lot of possibilities. There are scenes for day, for night. You can select everything in the panel. So
Housekeeping, everything.
everything is
Don't
possible.
disturb.
Yeah, but at
Everything.
least I was not able to arrange it. So yeah, I think this is our honest review. I think everything is amazing. There are a few things in the room I personally think can be improved, but that's really all.
Yeah.
The
But
stuff
it is
is amazing.
yeah, but it
The
is
food
also
is
not
good.
very cheap hotel.
It's not very cheap, no. But well, you get where you pay for, right?
Yeah, for sure.
It is indeed a luxury experience, and I had that luxury experience.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this concludes our review.
Yeah.
Would we go back?
If I have the money, yes.
If we have the money, yes, we will have to save for another trip. But yes, we will come back for sure.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, did you like this review? Please like and subscribe. This really helps out the channel also to do more interesting travel related videos and reviews. So hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.